How to check and repair a fan motor or induction motor. If your motor has water inside, you'll need to open it and check if it goes through inside the winding. If there are no traces of burnt or damage in the winding, grab an insulation resistance tester and initially records the reading of the winding resistance to ground. Set your meter to 1000 volts DC and inject for 60 seconds. If the results is greater than 100 megaohms, the motor is said to be past the test. Once you dried up the winding, you can apply a insulation varnish in order to provide a more insulation on the winding. Then you can bake the motor winding for 1 day using a 1000 watts halogen lamp.
Preservation, ganitong araw, oras, at saka yung weather.
Oo, sir.
Tapos megar, 1 mega. Rotation of fan, lagyan natin, walang problema. Tapos itong terminal lang medyo corroded, linisan lang natin ito ng W40, alisin yung mga washer, balik natin.
Okay, 208 mega ohms.
See?
Stop muna, 1 minute.
Okay. Okay na.
Okay na, sir. Tapos fan, paikutin mo yung fan.
Now try to rotate it clockwise and counterclockwise to check if the rotation of the blade are freewheeling. Once everything is done, assemble it back and try to conduct a dry run test or motor solo run test.
Tapos reverse.
By using a simple direct online or stop-start motor starter, connect the power to the terminal box of the motor properly.
Okay, sige.
Run the motor for 10 minutes and observe if there is excessive heat in the body, and connect a clamp-on meter on one of the motor cable supply. Before you energize the motor, check that the input voltage is the same with motor voltage requirements. Then proceed to run the motor.
Okay, minsan pay. Minsan pay.
Compare the running current to the nameplate of the motor. If it is going high against its nameplate, stop the motor run test and conduct further investigation. If the readings and temperature are normal, proceed the test for 1 hour. Hope you enjoy our video and don't forget to share, like and follow our Facebook page. Thank you.
Ay, isa pa? Isa pa. Bago kumain. Tignan mo running current.